Hi, and welcome to another video of Campus.eu. In this short video I want to talk about a product that we developed together with a client of us, and that's really helpful for everybody who has a Volkswagen California, being a T5, T6, T6.1, doesn't matter, and you have an awning and you want to go into a car wash. So if you have the factory awning, that's Omnistor, Thule Omnistor 5102 awning on the side of your California. It looks like this. There's a problem when you go to a car wash that the brushes and the machine get stuck behind here. We've had some customers complaining about this, and also ourselves sometimes when we have to use the car wash. It gets stuck there, and a lot of car wash companies don't want you to go into the car wash with the awning on. So we had to take them off all the time, and there was a lot of hassle. So together with the client, we developed this car wash cap. It has our logo on it. It's just a 3D printed cap. It's made from PET, so recycled bottles, which is well for the environment. So this is what it is, and just the way it works, there are some pins on the back of it, and they will slide into the rail like so, and then you put it over the awning, and now it's connected flush like so, and now you can go into the car wash, and you will not break anything there, and they will be thankful to you, and you'll be thankful that you can go into a car wash and wash your car. So there you go, a simple product which you can buy from our website campus.eu. If you'd like to, we will send you one, and maybe in the future we will add some other products to it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.